Today, Echo and I are sharing a few of our favourite features about the Super Feedy 4-in-1 slow feeder. So starting with the base, it has a suction cap, and that's really beneficial because on occasion Echo might decide to try to use her bowl as a skateboard through the kitchen, and this just helps keep it in place. I really like this simple but effective design on the inside. These separators are in 3 separate heights, and it works really well at slowing down fast eaters but also providing a really good level of enrichment without causing any frustrations, which is really important. But definitely my favourite feature is the reversible lick mat lid, not only because it's really great enrichment for Echo and fun to decorate for me, but because I can make a meal, put the lid on and serve it later. Hi, I'm Shannon and this is Echo, and we love using our Super Feedy slow feeder. It's a great level of difficulty for Echo without giving her any frustrations when she's eating. And especially love that the lid is a double-sided lick mat, so it means that I can meal prep in advance and give added enrichment as well.